Oh, very good. Here, students, see once again series expansions. So these are very, very important. Okay, yesterday we discussed this class. This one. Sin x is equal to x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial minus x power 7 by 7 factorial and so on infinity. Similarly, cos x, e power x. So e power x, I am putting triple star. Expansion of e power x is very, very important. 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial and so on infinity. Similarly, expansion of logarithm of 1 plus x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 and so on like that. 7th one, 8th one, 11th one. So these are very frequently we are using, dear students. Okay. So last time we discussed. Now see. So anyone have doubts, dear student, DPP? So last 20 minutes can spend the time for clarifying the doubts. If anyone having doubts, this one, set the question. Okay. Now see, write down please. Limit extends to 0. See carefully. Limit extends to 0. X power a into sin power b x by sin x power c. See the question carefully. Sin x power c. Where a, b, c are real numbers other than 0 existing and has non-zero value. Then prove that a plus b is equal to c. Dear students. How? This is the question. What to do here actually? Multiply and divide with x power b. See carefully. Here also multiply and divide with x power c. So limit extends to 0 sin x by x. What is the case coming? Whole power b into limit extends to 0 sin x by sin x power c by x power c into remaining part x power a plus b minus c. See carefully. Okay. So in this case, the limit extends to 0 sin x by x is 1. This value is also 1. This value is how much? 1. This value is also 1. Now it is existing. It has non-zero value means what here? It should be constant. That means when it is possible, a plus b minus c should be 0. So please write it. It's very, very important, dear students. See, limit extends to infinity. X cube plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus of A of minus of ax plus b is equal to, then find a and b. Dear students, suppose put x is equal to infinity. Whole part is how much? Infinity. This is also infinity. N infinity 5 minus infinity not equal to 2. One is infinity, one is finite value. But how do you approach this type of models here? Take the LCM directly. Okay. Now separate the terms. Coefficient of x cube plus x square plus x plus constant term. I am writing like that. See, x cube is the common, take common factor. Next, here this is the constant term. Fine. Last time we discussed it. Limit extends to infinity. Degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. The term should be 0. So what I am doing here finite value is there, it should be 0. That's why I'm taking 1 minus a is equal to 0. And here only you are getting finite value. How much? I wrote see here. Limit extends to infinity. Minus bx square by x square plus 1 means degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator. Then you should write leading coefficients minus b. Again, what about my case? 1 minus b by x square plus 1. This is how much? 0. This is 0 by x square plus 1 means. That's why what I'm doing here, solving these equations, we get a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 2. And this is also very important, dear students. Limit extends to 0. 1 plus tan x by 1 plus sin x power cosecant x. We are getting 1 power infinity format. See carefully, separate the terms. So e power, convert to e power means what here? E power limit extends to 0 means plus 1 is there. So remove that 1. Tan x into cosecant x directly. By limit extends to 0. Sin x into cosecant x. Both are cancelled. E power 1 is e. E denominator is. What about the numerator? E power limit extends to 0. 1 by cos x. Because sin cancel. Limit extends to 0. 1 is coming. That's why our answer is coming 1 by e. Completed here. Next question. After completing, tell me please, dear students. Shall I proceed? Still anyone writing? Okay, good. Completed. See, limit extends to infinity. X plus 1 power 10 plus, write on this question, x plus 2 power 10 and so on, x plus 100 power 10 by x power 10 plus 10 power 10. So see, from each and every term take x outside, means what here? X power 10 is coming into 1 plus 1 by x. That is there, how to see carefully? X into 1 plus 10 by x. Dear students, whole power 10 means x power 10 into 1 plus 10 by x. That is the meaning. X power 10. Here also x power 10. But here you should understand how many terms are there, up to 100 terms. Okay. Even denominator also take x power 10 as a common factor. So what is the case? Each and every term is cancelled. Finally this one. So x tending to infinity, then what about 1 by x, 2 by x, tending to 0 these values. Since so here I wrote see carefully. So 1 plus 0 power 10, that is 1. 1 plus 1 plus and so on, repeated how many times? 100 times. But see carefully, denominator 1 plus 0 is coming. So what is the answer? Finally 100. Please write down. Next question, see dear students. Limit extends to 0 plus sine power cube root of x ln of 1 plus 3x whole divided by x plus 0 plus tan inverse root x whole square e power 5 into cube root of x minus 1 is the question. Here students see formulas. Formula. Limit extends to 0. Tan inverse x by x 1. Limit extends to 0. Sin inverse x by x. So please remember these formulas. 1, 2. Limit extends to 0. Ln of 1 plus ax by x means what your answer is what? A. SV Rajesh, close the video. Okay. See solution. How to solve? See carefully, limit extends to 0 plus sin cube root of x by cube root of x and multiply and divide this one. Fine. Limit, sorry, logarithm 1 plus 3x by 3x into 3x whole divided by tan inverse root x by root x whole square. Multiply and divide with x. Root x whole square means x. Both are cancelled. And third one, e power x minus 1 by x limit extends to 0. What is the answer? This is also 1. Here also e power 5 into cube root of x minus 1 means 5 into cube root of x. So any term is cancelled. Dear students, see here 5 into cube root of x. Okay, get ready answer. See here cube root of x cancelled. X cancelled. What is the remaining here? 3 by 5 is there. See, dear students, 3 by 5 is the constant. Limit extends to 0 plus into limit extends to 0 plus ln of 1 plus 3x by 3x by limit extends to 0 plus tan inverse root x by root x whole square. What is the answer finally? 3 by 5 into here one more step into limit extends to 0 e power 5 into cube root of x minus 1 by 5 into cube root of x. So using these formulas you can see. So finally what the answer is coming? 3 by 5. This is 5 into, okay, no? Sometimes they can give 5 power. Check it, okay, no? Depending on the question, changing answer. This limit is there. See, limit extends to 0. F of x by g of x. How you are writing? Limit extends to 0, f of x by limit extends to 0, g of x. You can separate the limits, dear students. So here also, this is the one function. I'm writing C. This is the one limit, one function. F of x, g of x, h of x, like that. See. Some another function. How many functions are there? There are 4. Here, cube root of x cancelled. Blue color see. And x cancelled. But 3 is there here. Here 5 is there. 3 by 5 is the constant. Take outside. Remaining. This value is how much? 1. This value is how much? 1. Like that. This value is 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 means what? 1 into 3 by 5. That is the meaning. So with the help of these formulas, limit extends to 0, ln of 1 plus ax by x. So by x is there, that is 1 is coming. That is the meaning. Oh, by mistake. Take it points. Shit. Okay. Anyone copy this one? No problem. Write down. Limit extends to 0. Logarithm of 1 plus ax minus logarithm of 1 minus bx by x. What to do? How to solve this question, dear students? What is the procedure here? Multiply divide with slow. Is there any logic? See, put x is equal to 0. What the result is coming? Anyone? 0 by 0 form is coming. Anyone observing? Evaluate solution. See, 0 by 0 form is what here? Apply LS. So using LHS rule, L'Hospital's rule. What is the result? Anyone? L'Hospital's idea is there. Derivative of log means 1 by 1 plus ax into derivative of ax is how much? A minus 1 by 1 minus bx. Derivative of 1 minus bx means minus b. Whole divided by derivative of x is 1. Okay. Now simplify again. Limit extends to 0. A by 1 plus ax. Minus minus plus b by 1 minus bx. Dear student, now put x is equal to 0. What is the result is coming? A by 1 plus b by 1. Answer is coming. A plus b is the correct answer. Right now. Second question. Limit extends to 0. Integral 0 to x square cos square t dt by x sin x. So this is the first time you are listening to this question, this model. So here, what is the suitable formula anyone? Okay, good. Yes, Satvik responding. Newton's Leibniz rule. Why? Correct. So that is, I'm writing once again. Maybe some people maybe forget. Yes, what see, f of x is equal to integral some pi of x from this is what is psi of x. Okay, g of x, g of t dt is there. For example, implies d by dx of f of x is equal to what is the result? G of psi of x into derivative of psi of x, upper limit minus pi of x into derivative of pi dash of x. So this is called as Newton's Leibniz rule. Get ready. Why I am applying Newton's Lagrange rule? Because this one is also getting 0 by 0 formed. Yes, one. Check it. But x is equal to 0, lower limit, upper limit, both are same is 0. The denominator is also 0. So apply LHS rule here. LHS rule. Derivative means LHS rule. So integral. For the case, move integral. Be careful, otherwise it will move this one completely. So cos square into replace x by t by upper limit. Cos square x square, yes students, into derivative of upper limit, derivative of x square minus cos square 0 into derivative of 0 0 by derivative. So this is limit x tends to 0. Derivative of x sin x. Anyone having idea? Product rule. Anyone? Derivative of x sin x. I'm writing C. Derivative of x sin x means x into sin x derivative cos x plus x derivative is 1 into sin x. That is the answer. Now, still question is not completed. What is that? Cos square x square into derivative of x square is 2x by x cos x plus sin x. Limit x tends to 0. Now, multiply and divide with x. I'm sorry. See careful. What is the next step? Yeah. Just want to see limit x tends to 0, 2 is the constant. Cos square x square by cos x plus sin x by x. See carefully, dear students. Anyone? Now put x is equal to 0. Cos 0 is 1 by 1 plus 1. Why? Because limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is how much? 1. That's the meaning. So, answer is coming 1. 2 by 2 actually. So, answer is coming 1. Please write down. These are very important models, dear students. So after complete this one, try to revise previous questions also, dear students. You can definitely you can cover good score. Where we are using integration, see here integration is there. Put x is equal to 0 by 0 forms. Integration is there means you can apply Newton's Lagrange rule. Only integration cases. Rest of cases we are not applying. Shall I give one more example for Newton's Lagrange rule? Shravani, anyone? One more example? Anybody? Okay. So shall I proceed for the next question? Right on. See, 82.7 limits x tends to pi by 4 integral 2 to secant square x f of t dt whole divided by x square minus pi square by 16. A 8 by pi f of 2. B 2 by pi f of 2. C 2 by pi f of 1 by 2. D 4 into f of 2. Previous side is a question, dear students. See, I'm saying every time try to revise previous questions also. It's very, very important, dear students. See, put x is equal to pi by 4. What you're observing? Denominator part is completely 0 is coming. See carefully. This is 0 denominator. What about upper numerator? So replace x by pi by 4 means here secant pi by 4 is how much? Anyone? Secant pi by 4 root 2. Root 2 whole square 2. So upper limit, lower limit both are same. See here should both are same means the point is always 0. That answer is. So here numerator and denominator both are same. 0 by 0 form is coming. Then what to do? 0 by 0 form is coming. So using Newton's Leibniz rule. What says Newton's Leibniz rule? Limit extends to pi by 4. Replace t by upper limit how much? F of secant square x into derivative of upper limit. First time now I'm writing like that, directly you can write minus replace t by lower limit into derivative of lower limit by derivative of x square is 2x minus 0. Any doubt, dear students? Check carefully. What is the case? Anyone? Limit extends to pi by 4. Derivative of secant square x is how much? Anyone? 2 secant x into, again derivative of secant x is secant x tan x into f of secant square x as usual minus 0 by 2x. Now put x is equal to pi by 4. How much coming? Secant square pi by 4 into tan pi by 4 into f of secant square pi by 4 by pi by 4. Secant square pi by 4 is how much? That is 2 only. Into what? Tan 45 is 1. F of 2 by pi by 4. So answer is how much coming? 8 by 5. F of 2. Option is A. Slowly, slowly you can get the idea. Practice, only practice is required. Still, if anybody want, I will do one more question, but that is DP, like TPP. Anybody? Oh, but that is DPP only, okay? Okay, get ready, dear students. See, I'm proceeding. You can practice yourself this one. JEE 2003. Evaluate. Limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. integral 0 to x square secant square t square dt by x sin x. That's all. This is the question, dear student. So this is the DPP question for you. Okay. Now, another question. IIT 2001. Today we are discussing only previous question, dear students. Limit extends to 0. 3 power tan x minus 3 power sin x by tan x minus sin x. What is the answer? What is the answer? Yes, absolutely correct. Jayan. What is the case here? See, I'm writing formula. Yeah. First, I'm writing formula. Yes, what is C? What is the suitable formula? Limit extends to 0. A power x minus 1 by x. Anyone, what is the formula? Ln A. Of course, A should be greater than 0, no doubt. So here, put x is equal to 0. 0 by 0 form is coming. Then what to do here? Apply LHS rule. LHS rule. So limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. What is the derivative of a power x? That is 3 power. That is also not required. But let me see. Okay. Okay, let me see. That is also maybe not required. Any sorted method is there? Let me see. In this formula, dear students, see. Directly take 3 power sin x outside. Limit extends to 0. 3 power sin x into 3 power tan x minus sin x minus 1 by tan x minus sin x. See carefully. So limit extends to 0. 3 power sin x into limit extends to 0 means I can write direct you can write, but for you I'm writing one more step. This is how much, dear students? That is 3 power 0 means 1 out. Tan x minus sin x is equal to y. Therefore, limit extends to 0 means what about this value? That is also 0, enter value 0, see carefully. So 3 power y minus by y. What is this value? That is the answer. Extends to 0 means tan x minus sin x is what? 0. Doubt is the right one. Extends to 0 means tan x minus sin x tending to 0. Excellent question, this one. So same model I'm giving. Who will respond? Let me see. Limit extends to 0. 7 power tan x minus 7 power sin x by, what is the answer, anyone? Yes, log 7, ln 7. Because 7 is greater than 0. That is the logic. Yes. So in the place of 7, they can give k, lambda. They will give conditions lambda is greater than 0. So answer is coming log ln lambda, ln k, like that one. You should understand that one. Write the models. Okay. give. This is completely different model. Limit extends to 0. 1 plus f of x by x whole power 1 by x is equal to e cube. Then find the function f of x. Dear students, and also coefficient of x square is the excellent question, dear students. Write down. How to solve this model? Anyone? See. Dear students, given limit extends to 0, 1 plus. So here, take x as a common factor. Suppose what is the remaining? 1 plus f of x by x square, dear students. Whole power 1 by x is equal to e power 3. Clear? So what you are observing? Put x is equal to 0, 1 power 0, 1 power infinity format is coming. Anyone observing? 1 power infinity. Okay. So what you are observing, f of x should be divided with x square means what here? It is clear that f of x has at least second degree polynomial, second degree function polynomial. Now, yeah, what the result is coming now? See, now second degree polynomial is what type of polynomial? Leading coefficient, suppose ax square plus bx cube plus c into x power 4 and so on. What is the magnitude degree? We don't know. So, dear students, put this value. Limit extends to 0 means what? Directly e power limit extends to 0 x into 1 plus f of x by x square into 1 by x is equal to e power 3. Clear? So here x cancel. What are the results coming? See, e power limit extends to 0 1 plus f of x means how much? A plus bx plus cx square plus y divided with x square is equal to e power 3. So put x is equal to 0, what is the result? Put x is equal to 0 means what is the result is coming? E power 1 plus a plus 0 remaining terms. Bases are equal, power should be added, power should be equal. A is equal to 2. Fine. Therefore, f of x is what? 2x square, bx cube, cx power 4. Remaining not required. So this is the function they are asking. Put this value, definitely we can get e power 3. And also, coefficient of x square. What is the answer? 2. So you should approach like this only. What is the formula I'm using? I'm writing sick formula. Limit extends to 0. 1 plus f of x whole power g of x is equal to e power limit extends to 0 f of x into g of x. When it is possible, x tending to 0 means f of x tending to 0, g of x tending to infinity. Please remember this formula. Number of times we discuss this formula. Completed here, students? Okay. Next question. Limit extends to 0. Sin x degree by x. Most of the people are confusing. This one is saying 1. That's wrong. Absolutely wrong. Limit extends to 0. Cos x degrees by x. X tends to 0 means x is what here? Generally radians. But in this case, x degree is given. So is this x degrees also converting radian means what here? Anyone tell me? 1 radian is equal to how many degrees? I mean, pi radians is equal to how many degrees? 180 degrees. So 1 degree is equal to how many radians? Pi by 180 radians. So what I'm doing here, sine pi by 180 x like that. Clear, dear students? X degrees is equal to pi by 180 x radians. That's the meaning. So here coefficient of x is pi by 180. That means multiply and divide with sine pi by 180 by pi by 180 into pi by 180. Multiply and divide with pi by 180. So this value is how much? 1. So answer is how much? Pi by 180. Sin 3 theta, how many of you remember the formula? Right now? Send the message. What is the value of sin 3 theta? Anyone? Sin 3 theta. Okay, I'm saying, see. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Yes. Please write down. Shall I proceed? Okay. Next question, see. Anyone? Limit extends to 0. Logarithm of 5 plus x minus logarithm of 5 minus x by x. What is the answer? Anyone try? Logarithm of 5 plus x minus logarithm of 5 minus x. So what is the logical thinking? What the logic is there here behind this question? Tell me anyone. Check it carefully. Yeah, LHS rule. Yeah, good. So means what here put x is equal to 0. What is the result is coming? 0 by 0 form is coming here also. See carefully, dear students. In infinity by infinity, 0 by 0. That form means what to do here? Apply LHS rule. What the result is coming? Limit x tends to 0, 1 by 5 plus x into derivative of x. This is 1 minus 1 by into derivative is how much? Minus 1 by 1. So 1 by 5 plus x minus, so anyone put x is equal to 0. What is your answer, dear students? 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Answer is how much? 2 by 5. Numerical means how they are asking? 0.40. 0.4, that's all. Okay? Next one, see. Limit extends to 0 plus 1 plus sine square root x whole power 1 by 5x. How to solve? Anyone? Limit extends to 0. Tan of pi square x square. Tan of minus pi square x square by sine square x. What is the answer? Anyone? Get ready? Yeah, e power f of x and g of x. Absolutely correct, Jayant. No doubt. Good. Why? 1 plus, this is also look like what? 1 power infinity form. Fantastic. Directly e power limit extends to 0 plus sine square root x by 5x. So take 1 by 5 outside. E power 1 by 5 into, why they are giving 0 plus? Because root is there. What is the domain of root x? X greater than or equal to 0. First cases. 0 plus is required. So sine square root x by x means you can write root x whole square. So one more step I am writing. See, limit extends to 0 plus, dear students, sine root x by root x whole square. So this value is how much? 1. So we are getting finally 1 by 5. Be careful. Suppose they give it sometimes is equal to lambda, suppose. Okay, the find log lambda means how much is coming? 1 by 5 is coming in terms of log. What about second question? Anyone? What is the value of pi? What is the value of pi? 3.14. What is the value of pi square? 9.8 something. Yes. Then, okay, 9.85. Then, tan of, okay, directly Integral part of pi square is how much? 9 is coming. Integral part of minus pi square is how much? Minus 10. Please put these values. How much coming? Just a minute. Yep, this is not sufficient. Students, integral part of minus pi square, minus 10. So limit x tends to 0, tan 9x square minus 10 x square by sine square x. How to solve this one? Limit x tends to 0, tan 9x square by 9x square into 9x square. What I am doing? Multiply and divide with 9x square. Here tan of minus theta is minus tan theta, minus and minus plus 10x square 5. Again multiply and divide with 10x square, dear students, by sine square x. So what I am doing here, multiply and divide with x square. So for the final case, see carefully. Limit x tends to 0. 9 is the common factor. Tan 9x square by 9x square. Why? Because here x square is the common factor. Yeah, x square is the common factor. Cancel C. Plus limit x tends to 0. Tan 10x square by 10x square into 10 outside by limit x tends to 0. Sin x by x whole square. So what is the answer final, dear students? 9 plus 10 by 1. So answer is how much? 19. Yes, correct, absolutely. So in the place of pi square, e square is there. What is the value of e? For the same question, tan of e square is there. What is the value of e? Anyone? Do you have any? Do you have any idea? E value is 2.78. Yes, students, see. What about e square? That is 7.38. So please remember these values. Anyone? Okay, dear students? What is the value of e? 2.718. If it is e is there, what is your answer? Anyone? Tell me. What is your answer? Suppose e is there. What is the answer is coming? Anyone? In the place of pi, e is there. Yes, Jayat, absolutely correct. 15 is coming. Yes, 15 is coming. Correct. Beautiful. So just remember, started with just some giving idea. Okay. So this is a advanced question. Listen carefully. Let a is equal to minimum of x square plus 2x plus 3. X belongs to R. And b is equal to limit theta tends to 0. 1 minus cos theta by theta square, then the value of sigma r running from 0 to n, a power r into b power n minus r, a power r into b power n minus r. So how to solve this question? Anyone? Minimum means what? Yes, students, given what are the key? Since see ax square plus bx plus c, what is the minimum? Minimum means what? Yes, a should be greater than 0, then only minimum is existing. What is the formula? 4ac minus b square by 4a. Apply this formula. A greater than 0, coefficient of x square is how much? Dear students, Coefficient of x square is how much? 1, positive. So apply this value is 4 into 1 into 3 minus b square by 4 into 1. Answer is coming how much? 2. 8 by 4 is coming, see? 12 minus 4, 8. 8 by 4 means 2. Fine. So what therefore, what is the A? Minimum is coming. What about B? You should find out. What is the B, anyone? Limit theta tends to 0. 1 minus cos theta by theta square means how much coming? A square by 2 is the formula. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos A x by x square. What is the formula? A square by 2. Come to the question. What is the question? Sigma. R running from 0 to n. A power r, b power n minus r. Dear students, directly, here r is equal to 0 means for you take b power n outside. What is the remaining? R in from 0 to n. See carefully. A by b whole power r is coming. That is the question. Now, b power n into. So put r is equal to 0, 1. To r is equal to 1. R is equal to, and so on up to n terms. What you are observing, these are in GP, geometry progressions. What is the formula? A into A by B is what here? In this case is the common ratio 1 minus A by B whole power n minus 1 formula. But here how many terms are there? N plus 1 by 1 minus A by B. So please simplify this one. How much coming? We are getting simplified after A power n plus 1 minus, B power n plus 1 minus A power n plus 1 by B minus A. So put A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1 by 2. What is the result? By 1 by 2 minus 2. So this is 4 power n plus 1 minus 1. After taking the LCM, 3 into 2 power n. This is the conclusion. So dear students, I am giving last question. Get ready. Anyone, tell me. Challenge. Limit x tends to pi. Secant 2x whole power 1 by x minus pi whole square. Anyone, dear students, what is the answer? Secant x whole power 1 by x minus pi whole square. Yeah, 1 power infinity is correct. 1 power infinity. Then how to simplify? It is coming like 1 power infinity form. And what to do directly? E power limit x tends to pi. secant 2x minus 1 plus 1 in other way should add minus 1 into 1 by x, x minus pi whole square. Okay. Then how do you approach this one? Anyone? How to solve? So first of all, this one I'm writing in terms of cos. Limit extends to pi. 1 minus cos 2x by cos 2x into x minus pi whole square. This is the question is given. See carefully. Now what these type of problems, see how do you approach? I'm saying dear students, see, put x minus pi is equal to y, then e power limit y tends to 0, x tends to pi means what about y tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2 into x is how much, y plus pi, see carefully, by cos 2 into y plus pi into pi square. Is it clear dear students? E power limit y tends to 0, 1 minus any one cos of 2 pi plus theta, how much coming, any one, that is 2y only, by this is also cos 2y only into y square. How? Cos 2 pi plus 2y is how much? Cos 2y, that is the reason. So e power, how much coming? This is our combination. Limit y tends to 0, 1 by cos 2y into limit y tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2 by y square. Now what is the answer? E power 1 into 2 square by 2. So answer is e square, that is the answer.